Alright, so today I just wanted to give you guys a quick little tutorial on how to use your iPad to access some of the things online, because I noticed that a lot of people are kind of having issues with it. Just to let you know, so here's your iPad. Mine has my nifty tattoo like right on it, so a little fun fact about me. So generally, you're gonna go to your browser. This little guy right here, Safari, that's your browser. I'm already in like Google Classroom right now. But let's pretend that we're starting from the beginning. So I'm just going to go to the Home tab. Where is it? We'll just go to a new tab. So basically, I'm on a new tab. It's like I just opened it, right? So I'm literally going to go up to here, and I'm going to type Google Classroom. Now, if you hit this one, it's Siri Knowledge. So all it's going to do is it's going to take you to a Wikipedia page. You don't want that. You want Google Classroom like a search, like this one. So Google Classroom. It's going to take you to a page right here. I'm going to zoom in. Okay? It's the first link up here. So here's the search bar. Here's the Google Classroom. You're going to press Google Classroom. Now, I'm already signed in. However, if you're having an issue, just make sure that you are signed in. Like it's on my stuff. Don't worry about my first name there. Just kidding. Here's another email that I have, but you know, I'm in my Cartwright School District email, and it's going to give me my Cartwright School District classes. So as you can see, I'm in a lot of classes because I teach classes. I'm in classes for the other school. So let's go to, all right, we'll go ahead and go to Miss Urban's class, first grade. So basically, you're in there. Now, if you're always wondering what your Google Class code is, it's this little button right here. So if I actually tap that, it goes all big. And now if I hold my fingers down, it'll highlight it, and then I could press copy. So you're always able to get this code, and I'll leave it in the chat for you on the Zoom always before we start class, and I'll probably put it in your Class Dojo as well as other places. So one of the things I wanted to show you guys is that like your classwork tab is where you're gonna find stuff. So as you can see, like today I have like you can always see my PowerPoint on Art Room Expectations, and you can always zoom in. So if you ever wonder like what I expect from you while we're online, digital norms, that kind of thing, it's always there. You can literally click it and it'll take you. But right now I just really want to go more into drawing and attendance. So every day, as you can tell, here's yesterday's attendance. Oops, sorry. Stop it. It's on edit mode, sorry. So yesterday's attendance is right here. Today's attendance is right here, okay? And then yesterday's drawing assignment, today's drawing assignment. So every day you need to click on this tab and it'll take you to the attendance. You're going to select yes, and then submit your attendance. Sorry, mine's like, it wants to edit stuff, so. All right, so, you know, you're going to hit the attendance tab and click yes, all right, and then you answer the question. Now, to submit your drawings, stop it. Okay, now to submit your drawings, so we'll go to the drawing assignment for today. You are literally going to select it, so actually tap it. See, it's a little finicky, but you can get it if you tap it just right. I pressed edit because it wouldn't let me in it otherwise. But basically, like, it's going to tell you your instructions and everything like that. So you can do autodraw.com. You can actually take a picture after you draw something, like on a piece of paper, and then send it to me. Just know that to attach something, you are going to add like this, and then it'll ask you like how you want to get it. If it's on your Google Drive, you can get out of there. More than likely, you're going to be on a file. You can upload it. So it'll take you to this. So it'll be like recent, and that's going to take your Google Drive. You want to do upload, you want to browse, and you want to go to your, you can take a photo, so you can actually like, if I draw like a little happy face, that's my drawing for today. Hopefully you guys are going to do a lot more detailed. So I can actually take a photo or video. It's going to pop up with the little, as you can see, it's on my stuff. So I'm going to take a picture of this. There he is. so where you guys can see it. I'm gonna take a picture of my photo, right? I press the button, boom. And then after I took my picture, it can say retake if you didn't like it. As you can see, it says retake. Or you could submit the photo, use photo. So if I like this one, I do, I'll use it, and then boom, you've uploaded a thing to the actual drive. However, let's pretend that I want to do a link. So if I go ahead and go over here, and I'm going to go to my autodraw.com, autodraw.com, go. Boom, I'm on AutoDraw, just like that. And you'll know you're on AutoDraw because it says AutoDraw. Now, like I said, we'll do a happy face again. Now, you're probably wondering, where's all my tools on here? Yeah, I meant to draw a happy face. Oh my goodness, it did it for me. See that? I can change my tools right here. So it's not like the online version on a Chromebook. You have to actually tap it. So if I want a different one, tap it like that. Now, this is what I want to submit. So I'm going to press the 3 buttons once again. That's the 3 buttons in the top left. For options, I'm going to share, and I could just copy the link, and I'll go back over to my classwork. I'll add it, and I could put link, and then I could literally just hold it down. Hold it down and paste it. Paste. And then I add the link. And then boom, my auto draws there. So if I actually hit that, it's going to take me back to, boom, what I just drew. Now, if I want to instead drop a file, like say I want to save it, maybe then I'm going to press download. Because what happens when you download it, it's going to say, yes, do you want to download? Press yes. And then it'll download to your iPad. So if I go back to classwork and I press this tab again, and I go to link, file, and it might be under recents, browse, photo library, all photos. I guess the best way to do it on an iPad would actually just be to drop the link to the thing. So you could drop the link, or if you can actually get it to download the right way. So maybe download doesn't work on iPads. Yeah, so I think the best way for you guys would actually be to link it. So I'll try it again. Browse. Or you just press browse. Oh, sorry, browse. So you actually have to go to browse instead of photo library because it's not a picture. So then I could just add it like this. And it's going to upload it. So as you can tell, and then you would press submit. I'm not going to submit it because this is how I create it because I'm in teacher mode, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick video to tell you how to do this on an iPad so that way there's less confusion and you can watch this as many times as you want. So I hope this helps. And remember, I'm always going to be on the Zoom during your art time, so if you have any questions, I will be here to help you troubleshoot.